What's up, everyone? It's me again, Jack, and it's time again for Phrasal Verb of the Week. Yes, you heard correctly, and our phrasal verb this week is set up. Another very common phrasal verb that we use in our daily conversations, and this one has 6 different meanings. Yes, 6 different ways you can express yourself. And whether you love or hate phrasal verbs, they form a big part of the English language. So the more we know, the better. Let's go look at the first meaning. To organize something, to plan or prepare something in advance. So yeah, I think this is quite a common one. Most of us will know it. Let's go look at a quick example to explain it better. We need to set up an agenda for the meeting. So yeah, I think we are all familiar with this one. Let's move on. Let's go look at the next one. To create something new, to start something new, especially a company, organization, or system. And as always, it's better explained by looking at the example. Amy successfully set up her own beauty salon. So what a beautiful example there to explain the meaning of this one. So we set up something new, like a business, like a company. Well, if you know these two, well done. Let's move on. Let's go see example number 3. To install something, to put equipment in place so it is ready to use. And yeah, I want to go right ahead to our example. IT helped me to set up my new laptop. Of course, I think this is a very common one. We all know this one. We have all this technology that we use in our lives these days. So set up, a very common word. We set up all these different devices. Let's move on. Let's go look at meaning number 4. To trick or frame someone. To deceive someone or make them look guilty. Oh, not a good one, not a good one. Don't get deceived or tricked by someone. Let's go look at the example. The criminal set me up and almost stole all my paintings. Yeah, so you are being set up by someone. You know, firstly, they're going to trick you, or you can say, I was set up by my colleague or by someone, and they make you look guilty. So not a nice situation to use this phrasal verb, but a very important one to remember. Set up. As always, if you like the content of my channel, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help. But let's move on. Let's go look at meaning number 5. To put someone in a good position. It is often used when helping someone with an opportunity. So a good one to remember, because I think most of us, we like to help other people. I'm going to share 2 examples with you. Let's go look at the first one. Peter and Anne were set up to go on a blind date. So yeah, maybe one of you have experienced that as well. Going on a blind date, you were set up. Someone giving you an opportunity to meet someone else. Let's go look at the second example. John set up an interview for me at his company. Oh, what a great example. Again, someone helping you, someone giving you an opportunity. So they set up an interview for you. Let's move on. Let's go look at the last meaning of the phrasal verb set up. Create something to happen. To create the conditions for something to happen. So yeah, this one is not that clear. Maybe let's go look at the example. Poor communication set up confusion across the entire team. So that's a little bit clearer. You know, the poor communication set up the confusion. This one not that clear, so try and remember it. Well, that wraps it up for today. Another great phrasal verb you need to remember. Set up with its 6 different meanings. Oh man, like I said earlier, either you love them or you hate them, but you have to admit the English language won't be the same without phrasal verbs. So as always, thank you everyone for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.